was at like 180, I don't know, 183.
Alright guys, thanks for watching, I appreciate it. Just wanted to say this was definitely the craziest thing in my life. I should probably not be alive right now. I don't even remember it happened so fast, but I guess I was like, Jesus help me, and it looks like the good Lord came through for me. I don't even remember what happened. I have other clips, but I just wanted to throw this together, get it up on the internet. I felt like I was steering the wrong direction while I was turning, but actually I think I was steering the right direction. I was sideways for like 10 seconds at one point, a couple times, and I think I was actually steering into it the right way, but definitely insane. Yeah, 184 miles an hour, did a 360 once or twice, as you can see in the video. I'll try to cut out the swearing just to save some people that, but Mike said he was going to give me a shout out. I met him today at Corvettes at Carlisle, and that was super great, and I appreciate it. So awesome guy, just as authentic in video as he is in person, or I think I said that backwards, but anyways, huge shout out to Mike. Thanks for putting me in your video. I saw you recording and saying stuff about that, so huge shout out. I know that's gonna help me out a lot, and greatly appreciate that. I'll stop talking now, guys. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like and subscribe. It would help me out. Anyways, guys, God bless. I will see you in the next video. I mainly do electrical videos after work, but I do Corvette reaction videos with my friends, taking them for rides and stuff like that. So if you want to see that, hit that subscribe button. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it. God bless. See you later.